Greetings everyone. I am happy to share that Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering is hosting 9th International and 25th Annual National Conference of Gwalior Academy of Mathematical Sciences on 29th of September to 1st of October 2022. As we all know, maths is mother of all sciences and it is inseparable part of every engineering stream. So, for this maths conference, our objective we have set as it will definitely provide a platform for exchange of ideas in diverse field of mathematics. Our guest speakers and all researchers across India and abroad will definitely find plethora of ideas through this conference. Being co-chair of this conference, I, Ashwini Vaze, invite all of you to join this journey along with us.